Okay, so I'm reviewing your information here, and it appears to me that you did do it correct. You put on here, I think this should be done with the total value in column I. Now this is total percentage in stock buy cost. So this is our buy cost. And you say, I think this should be done with total value in column I rather than column F. So column I is the total list price. So this is the list price. So this would be like, this is what we're selling it for. So potentially we could sell this for whatever we want. So like, I guess if you think about it like this, if we were selling this one for $999, it wouldn't make sense. They would totally like make the total in buy stock price go up. I mean, because basically it's the same thing here. Total in stock buy cost is column F, and then I gotta pause this for a second. And then this is, let's see, column F. This is column F, total in stock buy cost. And basically you're taking the Anita versus the entire stock. So, all right, there we are. Yeah, so I mean, it's the total. So let me look at your email here too. Um, so the reason for my early confusion with ROI because I think there was one potential wrong calculation by the cost. You were told to calculate this based on the totals in column F, whereas I think we should be working on the totals based on column I, as column I has the real cost. But actually, column I does not have the real cost. Column I is the list price, and that's whatever we want to sell it at. So column I is actually what we paid for it. Um, Let me see here. Um, my prepared file is based on the formula that we were told by you. Anyways, I'm basically, I think what you did was correct. And it kind of makes sense because the total in stock units is 6%, total in stock buy cost is 5%, which is right next to this. So, um, if you have any questions, let me know. You can continue as you've been doing though, and this is the correct way. I'm going to double check, but you can move forward and I'm going to give you which ones I want you to do, and you can do those. And if we're doing it wrong, then we can just redo it. Thank you. Any questions, let me know.